What if you could turn simple pieces of wood into modern furniture that sells for real profit? You don't need expensive machines, a big workshop, or years of experience to start. In fact, some of the best-selling modern wood furniture pieces are beginner-friendly and easy to build. In today's video, I'll show you simple DIY furniture ideas you can start making right away and how to turn them into a profitable small business. Welcome back. If you're new to woodworking or thinking about selling your crafts, this video is for you. Modern furniture is trending because people love clean lines, natural finishes, and functional designs. The good news: simplicity sells. Today, I'll walk you through beginner-friendly modern wood furniture ideas that are easy to build, affordable to produce, and highly profitable. Modern wood furniture is about simplicity, clean design, and functionality. As a beginner, you don't need complicated techniques to succeed. Start small, improve your finishing skills, and stay consistent. With the right approach, your woodworking hobby can become a profitable business. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more woodworking business ideas. Let me know in the comments which project you want to try first: side table, shelf, or coffee table. Modern wood furniture ideas refer to design concepts and project inspirations for creating furniture made mainly from wood that follows a modern design style. This style focuses on simplicity, clean structure, functionality, and natural beauty rather than heavy decoration or traditional carving. It is not just about using wood, it is about how the wood is shaped, finished, and presented to match modern living spaces. Designing your own modern wood furniture may seem difficult at first, but when you break it into clear steps, the process becomes simple and practical. Modern design is not about complexity, it is about clean structure, function, and balance. If you follow the steps carefully, you can create furniture that looks professional and market-ready. The first step is to define the purpose of the furniture. Before drawing anything, ask yourself what problem the furniture will solve. Is it a side table for small apartments? A coffee table for living rooms? A space-saving shelf for offices? Modern furniture is always functional first. The purpose determines the size, height, storage features, and strength requirements. Designing without a clear purpose often leads to impractical results. The second step is to research modern design inspiration. Look at modern interiors online, in furniture stores, or on design platforms. Observe common features such as straight legs, slim profiles, neutral colors, and simple shapes. Pay attention to proportions rather than decoration. In modern design, balance is very important. For example, thin legs combined with a thick tabletop can look stylish if the proportions are correct. Next, begin with a simple sketch on paper. Do not worry about perfect drawing skills. Start by sketching basic geometric shapes: rectangles, squares, or circles. Modern furniture usually avoids complex curves. Focus on clean lines and symmetry. At this stage, simplify your design as much as possible. If something feels unnecessary, remove it. Modern design often improves by subtracting rather than adding. After sketching, determine the correct dimensions and proportions. Measure the space where the furniture will be placed. For example, a coffee table should typically be slightly lower than the sofa seat height. A side table should align with armrest height. Good proportions make your furniture look professional. Even a simple design looks premium when the dimensions are well balanced. The next step is choosing the right wood material. For modern furniture, common choices include pine, oak, maple, plywood, or walnut. If you are a beginner, start with affordable and easy-to-work wood. The type of wood affects durability, weight, cost, and final appearance. Modern designs often highlight natural grain, so choose wood with attractive texture if possible. Once the material is selected, plan the joinery and structure. Keep the construction method simple, especially if you are a beginner. You can use screws with wood plugs, dowel joints, pocket holes, or strong wood glue. The structure must be stable and strong. Modern furniture may look simple, but it must be durable. A clean design loses value if it is not sturdy. Then think about the finish and color. Modern wood furniture typically uses natural finishes, matte coatings, or soft stains. Avoid overly glossy finishes or bright colors unless you are creating a bold contemporary piece. Sand all surfaces smoothly, soften sharp edges slightly, and apply even coats of finish. The finishing process is what transforms a basic project into a professional product. After finalizing the design, create a cut list and building plan. Write down exact measurements for each piece of wood. This step reduces mistakes and saves material. Planning before cutting ensures accuracy and efficiency. Before building the full piece, it is helpful to visualize or test your design. You can make a small-scale model, use cardboard templates, or digitally design using simple software. Visualization helps you see balance and proportion before investing time and materials. Finally, evaluate your design with a modern mindset. Ask yourself, is it simple? Is it functional? Does it look clean and balanced? Modern furniture should feel calm and uncluttered. If the answer is yes, then your design is ready to build. Designing your own modern wood furniture is a skill that improves with practice. Start with small projects like side tables or shelves. As your confidence grows, move to larger pieces like coffee tables or dining tables. The key is consistency, attention to detail, and understanding that in modern design, simplicity is strength. Designing your own modern wood furniture is not about being perfect, it's about starting simple, focusing on clean design, and improving with every project. Remember, modern style is built on functionality, balance, and simplicity. If you can combine those three elements with quality finishing, you can create furniture that not only looks professional but also sells. Don't be afraid to sketch your ideas, test small projects, and learn from mistakes. Every successful furniture maker started with one simple design. The key is consistency and attention to detail. Start small. Build confidently, and let your creativity grow with each piece you create. If this guide helped you understand how to design your own modern wood furniture, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more woodworking tips and business ideas. In the next video, we'll dive into practical project examples you can build and sell right away. Keep building, keep improving, and turn your ideas into profit. See you in the next video.